Hey, it's Joey and Zach, and we're really excited to bring you today's deal on our most popular, best-selling 600 lumen collapsible lantern. But this one has a twist. It comes with two mini collapsible lanterns.
Now what's great about these mini versions of the lantern is that they may be smaller and more compact, but they pack the exact same amount of lumens. So you're still gonna get 600 lumens out of all three of these lanterns. This is a really great starter kit to keep around the house in case of an emergency. It's great for at-home projects that you might be working on because it dishes that light out in a 360-degree angle, meaning it's going to illuminate the entire space around you.
I love these for the outdoors. They're small enough to fit in any backpack, or you can throw it in the car for emergencies. They're perfect to store just about anywhere.
And the great thing about this is that they work just the same as they used to. If you're unfamiliar with the collapsible lantern, to activate them, all you have to do is open them up and that light's gonna turn on automatically and it's gonna shut off automatically when you close it back up again.
What's nice about this feature is that you can use it to control the brightness. If you don't need that much light, you can leave it open a little bit, or you can open it all the way to expose the full 600 lumens.
Now what's nice about these is that you can use them on a tabletop, and complementing its compact size, it even has these fold down handles that you can use to carry it around or lace it up inside of a tent so you can have a lantern effect. Now here's the real kicker. This comes with all the batteries that you need to fire up all three of these lanterns right out of the box. Considering that and our super low price, we have a fantastic deal on this. So head on over to the site right now and grab your 3-pack today.